How to buy CapCut Pro on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to upgrade to CapCut Pro and unlock all the premium features. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Get Pro or Upgrade to Pro to open the CapCut Pro subscription page. At this point, you'll see an overview of all the premium features that come with CapCut Pro, including exclusive effects, filters, and advanced editing tools. In the next step, scroll through the subscription options to see the available plans, usually a monthly, yearly, or lifetime plan. Following this, tap on the plan that works best for you to select it. Once done, tap on Subscribe or Buy Now to proceed to the payment screen. From here, you'll be taken to the Google Play payment page where your Google account billing details are shown. At this stage, review your purchase details and make sure everything looks correct before confirming. After this, tap on Confirm or Subscribe to complete the purchase. Once completed, Google Play will process your payment and CapCut Pro will be activated on your account instantly. Finally, go back to the CapCut editor and you'll notice all the previously locked Pro features are now fully unlocked and ready to use. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you upgrade to Pro, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.